this video I will show you how to fix a Facebook Messenger login problem. If you got on a problem like this one, what is the most important thing by getting off from here? Simply need to go on your Google Play Store, and then right here on the search box, without wasting any time, you need to type for Messenger, and you need to go on that application will set up right here, on which you need to see if there is any site. As you can see, there is no site for updating or getting the latest version of Messenger. If you don't have it, you're going to be available to tap right here on update, and then you'll need to wait to get verified by Play Protect and then get the new version of Messenger. But if you got the next session, what you need to do simply it is by getting on your settings right here. You need to go on your settings on your phone. Then what you need to do simply, you need to go on the site selection, which is right here on applications. On the search box you need to type for Messenger and just go tap on that application setup. Right from here, guys, as you can see, you're going to be available to take a look on all of these selections. You need to go on storage, the third selection, then you need to go clear data and go OK, and then when you take off and clear all the data on that selection, the problem will be fixed in certain setting.